The site view interface is split into three main areas: the tree, the listing, and the editor. The tree is a constant to the left of the site view screen. You can expand it or collapse it using the toggle shown here. It displays all of the nodes in your project in a hierarchical structure. By default, your tree is organized alphabetically, first by your parent nodes and then by your child nodes. You can change the order in which the nodes are displayed to reflect the menu order of your site. To do this, select the Action button indicated by the three dots, or right-click on the Home node. From the menu that opens, choose View by Menu Order, and this changes the order that your nodes are displayed in. As your tree grows, it can be easy to lose focus when a large number of parent nodes are expanded. To simplify the tree, you can collapse all the parent nodes that are currently showing their children by again choosing the Action button alongside the Home node and choosing Collapse All. From either the Home node or a parent node that includes children, you'll see the listing appear alongside it when selected. This displays all of the content within a particular section of your tree and summarises the status of any attached content. If you're using SiteView to display your content in a certain order, perhaps in a listing or in a submenu, you can manage this order from the listing screen. To do this, choose the Action menu alongside your node, choose Reorder, and you'll be able to drag and drop your nodes to a different order. By default, these are displayed as alphabetical, but as I start to rearrange my nodes, this changes to custom. When I'm finished, click Apply, and my changes take effect straight away. Lastly, the editor brings together the node from your SiteView tree with the entry that's attached to it. From the editor panel, you can manage your content without losing the context of its place within your structure. You can do this by selecting a child node from your SiteView tree, or by triple-clicking a node that exists within a parent. So there you have it. There's an overview of the SiteView screens and its features.